Morning campers. So after quite a number of days of playing about trying to configure that router, which we're having problems with and we can't figure out why, just can't get throughput on it, so we've ditched that. We're going through this crappy integrated Linksys router just to kind of get things up and running. And then what I've done this morning is stick quickly 4 switches in. Each switch is dedicated to each set of NIC cards, so all the machines with NIC card 1 are connected to switch 1, NIC 2 cards all onto switch 2, and so on. The first switch is going to use DHCP from the router so that all the servers have an external line, so that they can use MAS, Metal as a Service, to instantiate each operating system. And then all these other switches will be private subnets. I'm just debating at the moment with Michael as to what addressing scheme. I think I'm going to try the 10.0 scheme to start with. I think Mickey's feelings are that we should keep it simpler and maybe go for a 192.168 and then subnet those. So we'll see how that goes. And what we've also done this morning is just to make doing the config files on the switches much quicker, is we've set up on the storage or on this machine is just quickly knock up 4 config files for each switch, and then we can edit the config files for each switch, and then when we kind of telnet SSH into each using PuTTY, we can just quickly copy and paste each config file, and it's quicker and easier to change and more consistent, and that seems to eliminate a lot of problems and is much quicker and much more efficient in just having your config files for all the routers and the switches done first. So I'll get back to you this afternoon as to where we've got. See you now.